Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. Yesterday, crude market opened around 4,745. This is the price opening, and yesterday's price opening is just above the Saturday's market price closing, which was around 4,733, and also it is equivalent to the Friday's market price closing. You can see all this black color box indicates the price opening and closing for the respective days. And what we expected yesterday was that our strategy was very clear, that we picked the zone of 4,720 to 4,700. Unless until the price is staying above this zone, we expected the market to move higher. If the price is staying below 4,720, we will wait for an opportunity to analyze the price patterns, and then we will decide upon going for selling or not. So it is a very decent strategy we had in crude oil. Now let us see what happened after the price opening. So after the market price opening, we know this 4,760 is acting as a resistance. So in the past week, previous week, you can go and see that this 4,720 is acting as a intermediate resistance. So the market after the price opening, it's trying to put something above 4,720, but it is not sustainable. So the market took the resistance around 4,720. It is a very long consolidation. You can see that how long the market is struggling to put something above or below this 4,760. So what is happening is a great consolidation between the buyers and sellers, but the good news is that it is staying in line with the trend, because at last it came down. You can notice that after a very long struggle in and around this 4,760, so the market came down till 4,730. So always we say that support and resistance is not a single line, it is a zone. So before retesting this 4,720, the traders entered into that, and they put some support around this 4,730. Just we need to see what happened, what is happening. So after entering this, the market is quite successful in breaking. So you can see the level of breakout it had. The difference between the price action that has happened here and the price action that has happened here. So it is called a breakout, a clear breakout that will push the market above the major resistance zone. So here it is a consolidation. You can see many times the market consolidated, and here it is a very clear breakout, and the market broke this 4,760. Now let us see what happened after that. Whether the market sustained this 4,760. Yeah, it quite sustained this 4,760, and the market reached the another zone of 4,810, and it closed around 4,800. So it went in line with the trend. So that is a major reason we try to pick this zone, because we expected a consolidation to happen. If we try to pick 4,760, so it is an up and down zone. So that is a major reason we try to apply a different strategy. So there are few queries from clients about the strategies which they shift in our strategies, like what we do in copper and what we have framed for crude for this week. So just we are increasing your educational level, that's all. Slowly and steadily we are trying to teach you something, so that can be very useful for you for your trading, because trading is just a decision. So you need to take a decision. Only you can take a trading decision. Always we cannot come back and help you. So it is a guidance of the presentation, and whatever we are giving is just a guidance for you, and the end user is you are the end user, and you should take a decision in order to make your trading successful. So if our trading is going to be successful, only we can make profit. If your trading is going to be successful, only then you are going to make profit. That is going to be profitable for our company also. So the market closed around 4,800. So just above that, and seeing the price closing, so there is no question. On seeing the price actions, so there is also no question, the market was entirely dominated by the buyers. So this our strategy really worked on yesterday. So now it is up to us to frame to decide what we can do for today. So today the price opening is expected to be somewhere around 4,780 and 4,770. So based upon the NYMEX price, we can say that it is going to be somewhere around this zone, and it is also subjected to changes, since we are presenting these videos well before the currency and the commodity market opening. So look for the currency value. So today's market price is quite influenced by the rupee value also. So just at 9 o'clock, go back and see where the rupee is staying. It is open. Whether it has opened up or down, and the difference. So you can easily predict. If you have any doubt, you can please contact us, and we will guide you in the future. So today what we can do is that today also there is going to be no change in the strategies. It is again going to be the same strategy. We are not going to modify the zones until we get a clear directions, because so it is very difficult for us to move up this zone, because 4760 we can expect a long consolidation. So today also we are there is no change in the strategies, but what we advise is that after making a good profit like what happened yesterday, try to use your exposures properly, money management technique properly, and try to run the profit by taking minimum exposures. So today the market is expected, crude is expected to stay in uptrend, but if there is any price action below this 4760, that is going to indicate you that you should use your exposure at the minimum rate, because there are possibilities the market will come down to 4720 and this zone, and then again it will take a trading decision. So these are the possible outcomes. What we are trying to say is that the probability and the possible outcomes that how a market can react based upon our experience. So that is a major reason. If the price is coming below 4760, be careful. It is an indication, but it is not a confirmation. So it is an indication that the possible breakout market can test this zone again. So again it is going to be a decision zone. So these are the very possible strategies which we can expect in crude oil for today. Let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. And the target zones, there is no question about the target zones. You know that very well. 860, and always we used to mark these target zones. So it is quite achievable if the price is staying in line with the trend. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading sessions. And thanks a lot for watching our video, and happy trading. Take care. Bye.